For number 22, on the top it says at the large distance r, it gives you this. It says r is going to be the distance from the radio antenna, I is going to be the intensity of the radio signal, and p is the power of the signal. Okay, that's what everything represents. Which of the following expresses the square of the distance? Okay, square of the distance. By the way, this squared sign goes with the r, okay? Square of the distance is right here. Distance is r, so basically what I'm looking for here is r squared, because it says which of the following expresses the square of the distance from the radio antenna in terms of blah 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 blah. Remember, anytime you hear the word in terms of, you cross it out. Okay, so basically what I want to do is I want to isolate for r squared. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I need to take that r squared out from the bottom. So what I'll do is I'm going to multiply both sides by r squared, okay? Once I do that, that and this will cross out, leaving me with just p over 4 pi on this side and r squared I over 1 on this side. Okay? And then if I want to, remember this is just an invisible one. If I want to get the r squared by itself, divide out an I. Okay, and what I need to do from there is I need to also divide out an I. And that's the same thing as I over 1. So this is where it's going to basically be like, do you know what to do in this situation where you got two fractions? And r squared is this. That's what I'm trying to look for. R squared equals. This is when you guys hear about KFC. I hear a lot of you guys talk about that. And from what you have told me, it is, it's keep, flip the bottom, which is going to be 1 on the top. 1 on the top, I on the bottom, and then change the sign. It's division, so I'm going to multiply it. So that's going to be p over 4 pi I. Okay, so which one is that? That's going to be answer B.